Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today let's dive into DTC P0600 Serial Communication Link Malfunction. This code indicates a problem with the communication between one or more control modules ECM, TCM, ABS, etc. Here's a breakdown of possible causes and how to fix it. Possible causes: faulty ECM engine control module, wiring issues, damaged, corroded, or loose wiring connectors in the CAN controller area network harness. Faulty sensor or control module, a shorted sensor, module ABS, TCM, etc. could be disrupting the communication. Aftermarket devices, poorly installed aftermarket alarm, tracker, or radio can interfere with communication lines. Low battery voltage or charging problems, weak battery or bad alternator can cause erratic voltage that disrupts communication. How to fix: clear the code and check for return. Sometimes it's a one-time glitch. Clear the code with a scanner and see if it comes back. Inspect wiring and connectors. Check the main harness and connectors, especially those leading to the ECM, TCM, ABS, and any control modules. Look for pinched, broken, burnt, or corroded wires. Check battery and charging system. Ensure your battery is strong and the alternator is charging properly 13.5 V 14.5 volts with engine running. Disconnect aftermarket electronics if any. Temporarily disconnect any trackers, alarms, or non-factory devices and check if the code clears. Test CAN bus network with a scan tool that can check CAN communication. See if all modules are responding. If one module doesn't respond, it may be the cause. ECM replacement or reflash, rare, but if everything else checks out and the ECM isn't communicating properly, it may need to be reflashed or replaced.